Hey guys, welcome back to Man Makes. We're getting closer to restaurants and eateries opening back up, but not just yet.
Got it!
I wanted to share one of my favorite Indonesian dishes. Is it Indonesian or Indonesian? So in the meantime, I wanted to share one of my favorite Indonesian dishes that I always order if it's on the menu. I'll show you how to make a simple Nasi Goreng that's filling and tasty. Apologies if the videography isn't great. I was around 5 beers down, but all you need to know is that I came first in that Zoom quiz.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what.